The 18th World Water Congress is on our way in Beijing, with the event themed Water for All, Harmony Between Humans and Nature. International experts attending the Congress have commended China for its significant achievements in water resources management, emphasizing the country's promising trajectory in restoring its natural water environment and developing water resources.
I think it's very impressive what the Chinese have done in their water infrastructure. There have been a huge development as regards to the water infrastructure. It's on a vast scale. When I look at the Chinese infrastructure, it's very impressive, I must say.
Like every country, China developed in its water management, like we did in the Netherlands. I've seen that China developed very much in their river systems, and so they try to build a lot of infrastructure to manage the water and to see that the water is diverted in different routes all over the country. And I think in this way, China is moving on the good path.
I think China has achieved already tremendous work regarding water resources management. There are many initiatives that have been taken in China over the past years. During 2 decades, it was a priority to establish infrastructures, and right now we have seen a tremendous effort for trying to restore rivers, to give new natural environment back to the rivers. Fishes, birds, and also leisure activities are coming back around the rivers in China, and this is very positive. So I think it's one of the very general trends of China right now to redevelop high-quality natural environment.